Fluffy me. Oh my, me being so fluffy. Okay, I'm done.
Hey dude, that is mine.
Chill, dude. It goes into the same stomach. Take it easy, mate.
But I still want it first. I don't care where it goes. I want my food first.
I'm gonna bite your head off, so mind your own business.
And so does go the life of double-headed turtles.
Don't touch me. Just don't. I said, do not touch me. Get out of my backyard.
Go, let me go, let me go.
Oh my God, finally, I'm flying.
Nope, doubly, whoop, snoop, zoop, rattle, I gotcha. Nope, zoop, 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 nope. Oh my, you are so cuddly. Cuddly, cuddly, cuddly. But wait, you are not a sloth, are you? Oh no, let me go!
Dude, am I lost?
Bro, you are only lost, but I am totally jumping.
Let's get out of here before we get caught.
But wait, are we in the middle of nowhere? Around the rosy, a pocket full of posy, a tissue, we all fall down. Back again.
Gee, I just woke up and there's no breakfast. Are you kidding me? I want a bricky. I want a hey lolly. By the way, where am I exactly? A little more. Put just a little bit more. Thank you. Yep, that's better. Watch out, dude. That's my baby, bro. Handle with care. That's a fragile baby, okay? Just chill. Handle with care, alright? Look at your hands. You could kill my baby. I said handle with care. Watch out, gently.
It's raining mouse, hallelujah, it is raining mouse. It is raining mouse, it is raining mouse.
Yay, lunchtime again. Easy peasy lunch. Gotcha. Yummy as, with or without spices. It's okay, she gotcha.
Mommy, save me. I want my mama. Help.
Boom, boom, boom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Doom, doom, doom. Groom, groom, groom. It's my lazy Sunday. Just chill.
My nose, let me go. Let my nose alone. My nose, let me go. My nose, it's melting. Gosh, I am losing my eyes and nose.
Yummy in my tummy. Do you want some? You probably don't want it any. It's okay, just watch me eat and get satisfied. You're probably on a diet anyway.
Let's go party. Everyone. Here I come. Nom, nom, nom. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Gotcha. Yummy, yummy. Yum. Hey, buddy. I got your flowers. I love you.
But you cheated on me, remember?
I'm sorry. I won't do it again. I love you.
Yeah, alright. I love you too.
Moo, moo. Where's my uplu? Moo, uplu, muplu, yummo, yummo, in my tummo.
Hiya, howdy, how are ya?
Don't let go, please don't let go of me.
Wee hoo, following your thing do, ching do, wee hoo. Yum, num num num, tummy in my yummy. Oops, I meant to say yummy in my tummy.
I know you found me, bravo, good on you, fantastic. Now it's time to let go of me. Just let go, cheers bud. Rock and roll, rock the roll, or maybe not. Rock my world, rocky rock, rock. Welcome baby, welcome to the world of okay, whatever.
Come out, baby, come out. It's all safe. You can come out now.
How dare you? Do not come any closer or I'll bite your knuckles. Just stay away. Move on. Come on, move on. I said move on. Back up. I said back your fluffy body up.
Oh, it's... Mommy, I miss you. Mama.
Okay, I love you too, sweetheart. Stop it. It's embarrassing. Everyone's looking.
But, Mama.
Looks like you brush your teeth after every meal, which is good, but your mouth, oof, it smells like, You're so warm, sissy. Ouch, I want my sissy, leave us alone. I want my sissy. Sissy talk, tell them that you want me too. Sissy, speak now or be silent for the rest of your life.
Hey, mate, how you going?
Alright, mate, just chillin'.
Love your long ears and pointy nose, otherwise you're gorgeous. Can I have some of that nose? Cause mine's flat as. I don't think I have a proper nose anyway.
Nah, I'm good, mate. I'm not wishy-washy. I'm happy the way I am, buddy.
Oh, okay. Just checking. Whatever. Later.
Wait. Let me do my wee. Hang on. I'm still doing it. Now, I am... Oh, my fluffy friend, what are you doing?
Just chilling, munching on some berries.
Oh, I love berries. Where are they? Cheers, Fluffy.
No worries, mate. Here, eat as much as you want.
Oh, wow. Woo, wee, meow.
Stop it, I said. Oh, yes. Nice. Keep on going.
Oh, yeah, loving it. Oh, yeah, keep going, mate. It's a nice little bath on a lazy Sunday. Let me chill. Hiss. Stay away or else I'll bite the heck out of ya.
Can I have a bite?
Here we go. All yours. You want some more? Just talk or else I'm gone. It took 9 years to walk past this backyard and now 75 years to walk through this jungle. Whoa, what is that? What is that thing there? Whoa, wondering what it tastes like. Whoa. You wanna play hide and seek, little buddy?